To be, sein. In our previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, that is, das ist. In this lesson, we are going to add to the vocabulary that you already know. So that is, das ist, that is, das ist. And this is the vocabulary you learned in the previous lesson. If you want to say that's big, you say das ist groß, that's small. Das ist klein, that's good. Das ist gut, that's bad. Das ist schlecht, that's funny. Das ist komisch. So let's add to the vocabulary that you can use with das ist. Cool in the sense of great or wonderful. Toll. Wonderful. Wunderbar. Outstanding. Ausgezeichnet. Fantastic. Fantastisch. Nice. Nett. Great. Prima. So if you want to say that's cool in German, you would say das ist toll. That's wonderful. Das ist wunderbar. That's outstanding. Das ist ausgezeichnet. That's fantastic. Das ist fantastisch. That's nice. Das ist nett. That's great. Das ist prima. All right, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.